guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a wine advent calendar to show you. Do you want to know what I'm going to be sipping on? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so today when I was at Target, I saw that they now have, it's not by Target, this is actually by Jingle and Mingle, but this is a 24-door wine advent calendar, and I am so excited. I've never had a wine advent calendar, so I'm really excited, especially it says wines from around the world. You can even scan this QR code right here and it'll give you more information. They actually had a few others. They had a few of them that had like 5 or something in there, and I'm like, I want more than 5. So I went to this one. This one I paid $69.99, and I'm so excited again to see what's inside. It says wine gift pack, celebrate the season. 24 187 ml bottles. You can hear all the liquid and everything moving around. So I'm so excited to dive in and see what 24 wines I'm going to be sipping on. I love me some wine. So let me go ahead and cut the little sticker tape here so we can open her up and see what we got. I'm so excited. Again, this is my very first time. This is my first time. Let's get her opened. Okay, so it says winter wind down. And then when you open it up, all right, that's what it looks like. So you have all the little punches. So let's go ahead. Here, let me kind of push that back even more. Let's go ahead and start with number 1. So we punch that. Ooh. And here we have, it says Antler Envy. That's actually a decent size. I was thinking they were going to be a lot smaller. I mean, I don't know how to comprehend 100 and something ounces and just by thinking in my head. But now seeing it in my hand, I'm actually surprised. It's actually a little bit larger than I thought they were going to be. So I'm excited. So Antler Envy is a Cabernet. Right there. And again, that is what it looks like. Now we'll find number 2. This one says merrier than ever. How cute. And then let's find number 3 right here. Number 3 says precious lights. So that's cool. Looks like it's going to be a mixture of like red and white. Number 4 is right here. This one, it says Snow Crystals, a red blend. 5. Number 5 says Winter Wonder, and this is a Chardonnay from Italy. White wine, it says 2001, right on the back. Number 6. Who's been nice? It's a Merlot. Naughty or nice? Which list are you on? I'm always on the nice list, to me anyway. Somebody else might beg to differ, but in my head, I'm always on the nice list. Number 7. Number 7 says Sparkling Ornament. Chardonnay in Spain. Number 8. At least it's getting lighter and lighter as I'm pulling them out. This one here says Festive Fun. It's a red blend. Number 9. It says Pink and Gold. Number 10. Number 10 says Will Wrap for Wine. Will Wrap for Wine. Number 11. Where are you? Over here. Okay. This one says You Always Bring Wine, and that is a red blend. Number 12. It says A Little Merrier This Year. And it says Hungary. So that one's from Hungary. So when they say from around the world, we're really going to be trying things from around the world. That's exciting. So I think that was 12. So we're on 13. It says Tinsel Time, Sweet Red from Italy. Number 14. Number 14 says Snow Fort, White Blend, Portugal. Number 15 is over here. This one says Holiday Vacation, and it's a Merlot. 16. Number 16 says Vino Decor. And yeah, it's a Chardonnay. Some of them have more information back here, and then some of them don't have that back label. Like these don't have the back label on them. Number 17. Number 17 says Party Sweater, and it is a red blend from Bulgaria. Number 18 is over here. Almost skipped you. This one says Snowflake Encore from Italy. Number 19, Geometric Trees, Merlot from Italy. I love that teal. Number 20, it says Dinner with Friends, White Blend, Hungary. 21, this is a red blend from Italy. 22. Get Jolly by Golly. And this one, it just says it's from Spain. Now we have number 23, and then there's only one left. This says Treetops, and it's from Spain. Now, number 24, the last and final door. We have Night Lights Cabernet. Nice. So now I have 24 bottles here of some wine from around the world that I get to enjoy. I'm so excited. So I definitely wanted to grab this. It was $69.99. I wanted to try all the wines because I love me some wine, but I definitely wanted you guys to see what was inside of it in case you wanted one for yourself or for a gift idea or to have somebody get it for you for a gift. So I just wanted again to show you what was inside of this 24-day advent calendar that Target is now selling and has available. So if you want to go check it out, go check it out. I will link them down below if you want to see if it is still available. And that is everything that I have for you. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this advent calendar? Have you ever got one that had wine in it? Would you like to receive one that has wine in it? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.